the world is my wine? I don't know, but I do have Stitch Fix. Hi guys, it's me, Audra Rowdygirl, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I don't know how you got here, but I'm glad you came. Okay, so I have a Stitch Fix. I'm really excited about this. I am also so sweaty. Do you see this? I just came from taking Bo out for a walk, and like, you've probably seen this shirt in a different video, but who cares? Or you're gonna see this shirt in another video. Yeah, because I'm not changing right now, and I'm filming a little bit of back-to-backs, and I'm pretty proud of myself for this because it's been so hot I don't want to move. All right, so I am really excited about this, and I am looking forward to opening it. Sorry, I'm like staring around instead of at you. I was trying to figure out what I did with my opener to open this box. So I found that, and we're going to get going. For those of you that don't know, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription. It's one of the ones that I have, and I'm probably going to have to keep this one, even though I'm starting to try to move in a bit of a different direction. Well, I have to keep this one because I have the $49. I have the Style Pass. So with the Style Pass, I have it for a year anyway, so I may as well take advantage of it, enjoy it while I can, and get some select pieces out of it. And so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and open it. I am pressed for time, so this one's going to be a little fun, a little funky, a little fast. Okay. So we've got a snazzy ass bag. Come on now, it even goes with what I'm wearing now. Come on. All right, so we have that. Then I have, it looks like I've got some shoes in here that I already kind of hate, but let's see. I don't like this gold lame at the bottom. All right, okay. If you do not have Style Pass, it is $20 a styling fee, and you can do it. You can choose how often you want it. You can do it every 2 weeks. You can do it bi-monthly, however you want to do it. You can also choose to tell them like when you want to have it fixed. So, all right. So next up in here, I have. You guys, this is cute. I'm excited about this one. All right. So let's see. Then we're gonna have. I don't know how I feel about this already, but okay. We got us a little toppity top here. I literally just had a shower, by the way. I just figured I should say something because like there's a lot of sweat, and I literally walked outside. I let Bo pee, but it's like 100,000 degrees. So being outside for like 5 to 10 minutes, you're drenched. So I'm gonna towel off before I try anything on. So don't worry about me. I feel like this is one of those stupidly expensive shirts for no reason, because it's got like little hearts on it, and I just feel like this shirt is going to be like, you know, $80, and I'm already annoyed. This is the extra small though. I'm not sure what's going on with the sizing. Is it supposed to be oversized? I really don't know. But we're going to go ahead, we're going to try everything on, and we're going to talk about it as we go. Where is my wine, by the way? So I've been having some stomach issues right now, so I've been kind of moving things in and out of my diet. So right now I have no wine, but I am going to be drinking some water. I was trying to drink some beer to help settle it, but I think the lime upset me more. So anyway, let's get on to the try on. All right, so I'm towel dried, ready to go, and this is the shirt. I mean, you guys, what is this? Like, I'm going to come up here so that you can see how completely shapeless and boring this is. I get that I'm small. I'm not, you know, I'm no idiot or stranger to it, but it's like this shirt, it looks like a pajama shirt. Like, it looks like a night shirt that I would go to sleep in because it no longer fits me because I have lost weight. So that's what this reminds me of, and whenever I find out how much it is, because you guys are seeing it now, I'm going to see it at the end. I'm probably going to be angry. But yeah, this is not my cup of tea. Also, I don't like this. I had to work a little bit with the top here because in all honesty, it was just like, hello, boobies. And I was like, no, put those away. So I mean, I like to show them, don't get me wrong, and show what you got, but at the same time, I don't want everybody seeing like my bra that's spent $19.96, you know what I'm saying? So, and this is not a bralette underneath, it's a regular bra. So this is what it looks like from behind. And this is the shirt. All right, now that I'm done posing for this one, I'm going to start doing that a little bit more. I'm going to do some poses and some turns so you can get a good view of it from every angle possible. Okay, so now that this one's done, let's go on to the next item. Okay, so here's the other shirt. So I feel like the less I say, the better. I like the material, that's nice, but I feel like it's so hot that this is just sweat material. Maybe if it stops like here, let me just model, and I feel very strongly that if I just say less about this, it'll be better. Okay, so what it is it's like, it just is oddly fitted. This piece here, it sits weird around my neck. It's not, I can't get it just right. Like, I kind of fussed with it before. I can't get it to be just right. I just feel like it's not really my style. I don't really like the way that this is. This would be a braless shirt for me, and it's way too thin to not be wearing a bra. Like, real talk. Oop, let me grab my bra, get it back where it belongs. This is way too thin to just wear without a bra. I'm sure you could wear a strapless. I don't really like strapless bras personally because I feel like the top part of my boot is heavy. And so every time I get a strapless bra, it's like, it's never wide enough for my back. And then like, I also feel like because the top part of my boots is kind of heavy, like I have like a strange shape boob, I feel. Like it's a strange shape, I feel like, and so like bras just don't fit them just right, and strapless bras especially try to do this like weird little demi cup thing where it cuts it, but my cup runs over at the top. Like, they're small, but they run over at the top. So I wouldn't wear one of those. And also I feel like when you wear, because of that, like when you wear a strapless bra and they run over at the top, you can like see it here, so it's not attractive. So they just, the whole thing is just like, I guess it's supposed to be a little boho fab. I think if it was like this, you see what I'm saying? If it was like this, it would be totally cute. There it is. There's where it's cute. The extra fabric is actually what's ruining this. The flowy nature that they tried to put into this is what's ruining it. I think that this would have been better if it was like this, because I just feel like it adds more depth, dimension, and a little bit of sophistication and fun to it, and it's flirty and fun and sassy. See, that's cute. That's cute. All right, so let's try the dress and then we'll try the shoes. Okay, I don't care that you can't see my head because, baby, look at this dress. Yes, honey. Oh my God. Okay. I am going to just model the dress and then I'm going to model with the purse. Let's rock this. Okay, now back up to me. You guys, This dress is amazing. It is super, super comfortable. And I think, like, I had a little of the straps kind of stuck. And I apologize for that, but I was having some difficulties. So this dress is hella amazing. It's super comfortable. Like, this is the most comfortable LBD I've ever had in my life. I love how it fits. I love that I have a booty, man. Did you guys know I got a booty when I wasn't looking? Because, like, I didn't. Bam. Another great thing about this is you can step into this dress. This is a step into it dress, and I love that. I love that you can just step into this bad boy and wear it. The only thing, well, there isn't an only thing. I really like it. It is extremely comfortable. Like, I like that you can kind of play with the material and move it around. So, like, if you, like, right now, it's like, oh, I haven't eaten anything, right? And then when you eat, you're like, okay, well, I've eaten, so let me just, like, ruche this around right here. Love it. Love it. And this purse is hella cute. And for once, it'll be a purse that can fit my big ass phone. Love the stripes inside. I was wondering if it's one of those pull bags. It's not, so like I shouldn't break it. So it's got this side, and then it's got this. I really like this bag. I don't know about it though in total. It does have a strap, so there is this. I don't know, guys. It looks like I'm gonna have to dos. And finally, we're gonna try the shoes. But I just gotta tell you, oh my gosh, I really like this dress. This dress is hella cute. And because this dress came with this bag, like, it's just, the things are going together, and I feel very sophisticated and sexy. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, we're back, and we're going to play What's Going Back in the Bag. And I know you're sitting there going, didn't you have shoes? I did, but you know what I realized? I don't like the shoes. And I know I don't like them, so there's no reason for them to shove them on my feet and get all the paper undone and do all that for shoes I can already tell I don't like. I would not gravitate towards these shoes in the store at all. Like, there was not a part of me that would be in the store and think, ooh, I should try these on. There's a few reasons. One, I don't like gold lame. I don't like that. And it's just weird. It looks cheap and unattractive. To me, it looks cheap and unattractive. It's not my bag. I'm not really a fan. And I just don't like the heel height. I don't like most of this. Like, maybe if this was cut out here, if it was cut out here, it would be like cuter for me. But this just isn't my thing. And so I figured, you know what? I'm not going to undo all of this stuff for shoes that I know I don't like. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them back in the bag. And as I'm doing that, I'm going to see how much these dang old shoes cost. Cause, like, I'm feeling a certain type of way. But then it's not my shoe type. Like, I just don't like it. What do you guys think of the shoes? All right. Oh, could you please stop drooling all over my jeans? Oh, I just got these jeans. He's so rude. Such a rude little dog. He's the rudest of rude dogs. Oh. I forgot I was recording. I just started, like, reading and doing things. I'm back, guys. I'm back. All right. So those shoes were $79. No, thank you, hon. No, I'm good, don't you know? All right. So that's absolutely no. Absolutely not. So I'm just going to say no to that. With everything I've got. With everything I've got, I'm going to say no. So next up, we're going to talk about gray t-shirt. I don't know what's going on in the world. I really don't know what's going on in the world with these $78 shirts. Like, this is a gray t-shirt, and it's $78. I want to see why it's $78. What is the magic? Is it sustainable? Like, what is it? Because I don't know. It's just a boring ass t-shirt. Like, I'm so confused why I would pay this. Again, I know I said in another video I'm not going to talk about prices, but I will talk about them if they seem outrageous. And this seems outrageous to me because it's just a t-shirt. Like, you could go to Target and get a t-shirt similar to this for like $9, $10, $12, but $78, like, it's a t-shirt for, like, and it doesn't even do anything. doesn't do anything. I need to research the brand. I'll research the brand and when I'm editing, and if there's a reason for it being $78 beyond that, I'm going to put it down there. Again, it's too hot to hold in the gut, so I'm just letting it free float right now. So you guys are going to have to deal with my gut. All right, so the next item is going to be this shirt, which would have been just so cute if it had been tighter. I like that boho vibe, but I feel like I have to like really put my own spin on a boho vibe because things kind of have to be a little bit fitted on me, and in order for it to look cute and still have that bohemian touch. So I just felt like this didn't fit well around the neck, and the flow of it didn't do much for my weird little body. So that's going back in the bag. Next up, we have what is about to be my insane splurge item if I can't find something similar. This is a $100 dress, guys, and I really have to think about this. It's gorgeous, but I'm going to need some help with that because I might need to find one that's kind of like that, but like cheaper maybe. Or maybe I'll just get that one. Who knows? We'll see how I'm doing. All right, and finally, there is this bag, which is on par with what I would pay for a bag at Sam Moon, maybe. So this is in the maybe pile. These are the things that aren't going back in the bag immediately. And this is what's in the bag now. So you guys need to let me know what you think I should keep, what I should dump. Do you have any thoughts about the items that I tried? Are you disappointed I didn't put on the shoes? I'm sorry, I just couldn't. I knew I wasn't going to like them. I knew I didn't like them just from the start. So I was like, you know what? There's no point in me stuffing my feet in shoes I don't like. I already know I don't like them. Shoes are one of those things where you just immediately look at it and you're like, no. And I feel like that about shoes. Do you guys feel like that? Does anybody else out there have that about shoes where you can look at a pair of shoes and just be like, no. So that's how I felt about those. I just felt like I looked at them and I was just like, no, thank you. So that's everything in my Stitch Fix. I also have a Nadine West coming up. I have an Amazon subscription for the month of August coming up. So I have a lot coming up for you guys. You're going to see a little bit more content coming here in some spurts. And then I also do have a car vlog coming up as well. So we're going to have a lot of fun, and it's going to just be a lot of editing for me, which I don't mind. I love the editing, I think, sometimes more than I like filming because, you know, I'm weird. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, please go ahead and consider subscribing. Hit the like button, please, and thank you. Makes a difference to me. It lets me know if you guys are enjoying this particular content. And until next time, deuces! My gut, buddy, my gut.